Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to close your CBD bank account. First, it is crucial to clear any outstanding checks you may have issued, preventing potential legal complications. Next, ensure all loans or credit card dues associated with your account are fully settled. Finally, you must withdraw or transfer your entire account balance, bringing it to a zero balance before proceeding with the closure request. These initial steps are vital for a smooth process. When you visit the branch, remember to bring your original Emirates ID, as this is the primary document for verification. In some cases, a valid passport might also be accepted. Be aware that if your account is relatively new, specifically less than 6 months old, a closure fee of approximately 150 dirhams could be applied. However, for accounts open for more than 6 months, you generally will not face any closure charges. It's important to note that closing your CBD bank account cannot be done online. An in-person visit to a branch is mandatory. You will need to go to the specific branch where you originally opened your account, as this is often a requirement. In some instances, certain designated branches might also be able to assist you with the closure. This direct interaction ensures all necessary procedures are followed correctly. Once at the branch, you will be asked to complete and submit an official account closure form. After submission, the bank typically processes your request within 3 to 5 business days. You should then receive an official confirmation, usually via email or SMS, once your account has been successfully closed. It's always a good idea to keep a copy of your closure request for your records.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.